Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life waterproofness test of the Realme Buds Q2. So we're gonna take it to the shower first, and then we'll be taking it to the steam room, which I just switched on, so there's a lot of steam. So we'll be sitting in the steam room for 10 minutes. Then I'll just go for a few seconds because it's very cold. But you'll be able to see how good this is going to perform under so much of water pressure. So steam is not good. Shower is not recommended. It's just for sweat. So this is sweat proof. So we're gonna take it up a notch. We're gonna see if it's going to survive this or not. Cold. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what actually happened. So once I got out of the steam room, my voice was not audible. It was very faint. So I had to redo the shoot again. So the end, but I had to do it again. So basically, what I was saying is that even after using it in the steam room so many times in under the shower, no water actually went in. I actually thought when I keep it in the charging case, there might be some water leakage. Whatever went in will come out a little bit, and I'll find water in the case. But no, that also didn't happen. No water went in only. So I really like the waterproofness of this device. So no matter what kind of situation I'm in, steam rooms, whether it's I'm roaming around in the rain, getting wet, any of these kind of regular scenarios, the earphone is going to work properly. The only thing you have to remember is when water goes on to the mic, then the mic itself is going to get blocked, and then the sound is not going to be that clear. But when the water actually goes off, maybe just blow it and then just tap it or something, and then let it dry. Once it dries, then the mic sound will be back to normal. So that's the only thing you have to remember. No other issues. Yes, I did drop it in the steam room because there was a lot of water and it slipped out of my ears. And I dropped it actually a lot of times in this wet scenario wherever I'm in the shower or wherever when I'm in the steam room. But nothing happened to it. The build quality on this is excellent. So that's all. That's all that I wanted to say about this. But do make sure not to do what I did. Don't take it to steam room and the shower and all because you do not get any warranty for water damage. Just remember that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with a like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.